AbuTimes.com, tourism and media portal of Mount Abu, Abu Road, Sirohi and around. News, hotel booking, advertisement and a lot more.
Hello all the viewers of Abu Times. आप जैसा कि मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं, we have riders in our Mount Abu. As you can see, amazing bikes all together. Some amazing machines जो बहुत rarely दिखती है. Even though गुजरात, राजस्थान में भी कुछ ऐसी बाइक्स तो होगी जो बहुत limited है, maybe one or two. So we got to meet these people. They are professional riders and they used to come Mount Abu twice or thrice in a year. And we are fortunate to meet them for the first time here. And we'll show you the bikes with the close of the views. We'll talk to the riders. We'll share you the experience of their so far in Mount Abu, how they feel, what is their connection with the machine. And when we talk about riders, it's always like a word called brotherhood. So how does a brotherhood rise when we all go for a ride? So ये सब बातों के साथ आज हमारे साथ riders हैं. So as we got to connect with Mr. Mustaqeen, right? And I'm sorry to say, but he is very popular, known as Musa Bhai. So Musa Bhai हमारे साथ हैं. So thank you so much for joining us. You are on abutimes.com. First of all, we go ahead. I want to know about your bike, like what's its name, what's its company, and what all specifications you can share with us.
This bike is a CBR Fireblade. It calls HRC edition. It's a 1000 cc.
Okay.
It's installed with a full system RAS weight and so many things. More than means like frame sliders and brake levers.
Okay.
So many things we are installed in.
Okay.
And it's quite very beautiful bike.
And as you can see, 2500 cc bike, it would go like a rocket for sure. और शायद इसीलिए कंपनी ने इसका नाम Tramp Rocket रखा है. So let's go to the person who's actually owning it. Bro, congratulations, man! You are owning such a beautiful machine. I would say, not a bike. What do you feel having such a bike?
It has amazing road presence. I have waited for almost 60-65 days to get it. This is a completely built unit imported from United Kingdom.
Okay.
So this is basically a 3-cylinder inline engine, 2500 cc. It is the largest production engine ever built till date.
Okay.
So it has a 221 Nm of torque. It goes like rocket, just like its name.
Okay. So let's go to an interesting person. Yeah, we'll go to Hayabusa now. Hayabusa John Abraham ने सबसे पहले famous किया था. After that, Hayabusa went like viral. People owning Hayabusa. Harbhajan Singh was having one of Hayabusa and it has become a kind of जैसे कि सर Hayabusa का एक stardom बना हुआ है.
Yeah.
Amazing stardom. Yeah. So how do you feel owning a Hayabusa?
Hayabusa is like a very well-known machine worldwide. So you don't need to present yourself. You don't need to make people understand what is exactly the machine is about.
Okay.
The name is enough, I guess so.
Yeah. You are carrying. He's owning a Kawasaki bike, a beautiful green color bike with a gradient finish. So before we talk to him, let's just see the bike, how sparkling it is, like stars. When you go to Guru Shikhar and you see in the sky, you see such kind of sparkles that are available on his bike. So you have such a glooming bike. It is really sparkling like a star. How do you maintain it?
Well, I just bought it a week ago.
Okay, that's why it's so cute.
Yeah, and that's why it's sparkling, of course. And I love the color. It's emerald green.
Okay.
Unlike the other Kawa color, it's a different color. So I just picked it up because of its color.
Okay.
And of course, there were a few updates like the electronics, the TFT screen. And I just wanted to have a 4-inline engine, which was my dream. So I just got it.
So what kind of feeling you have experienced so far being a rider?
Feeling is amazing. Especially when it is cornering or when there is some obstruction, showing the signals and the way the riders are following. So it's really an amazing feeling.
Ninja, हर जगह Ninja का नाम चलता है. किस तरह के बाइक है, इसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
ये 2020 का गुजरात का फर्स्ट एडिशन बाइक है.
Okay.
ये 1000 सीसी है.
Okay.
और इसमें ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल दिया हुआ है. स्पोर्ट्स मोड है. दिस इज माय ड्रीम. यस.
सो ऐसा कुछ आपका एक्सपीरियंस है माउंट आबू का सो फार? आप कई बार राइड्स पे आए होंगे. कोई ऐसा एक्सीडेंट या कभी कोई ऐसा अमेजिंग अचीवमेंट जो रहा हो या कोई ऐसी फीलिंग रही हो?
नहीं, ऐसा तो कुछ हुआ नहीं. बट यहाँ आबू में हमको ऐसा मज़ा आता है ना, तो हम आते रहते हैं. बहुत मज़ा आता है. इंजॉय करते हैं फुल.
Kawasaki Ninja.
You tell me about your bike. Do you have a Triumph?
This is Triumph Daytona 675cc inline 3 engine.
Okay.
It is coming from UK. Total imported bike.
जैसे कि लेह लद्दाख को कहा जाता है कि ये मक्का मदीना है बाइकर्स का. माउंट आबू के लिए आप क्या कैप्शन देना चाहेंगे बाइकर्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से?
ये ऐसा माउंट आबू यहाँ का रेस ट्रैक लगता है, जैसे हम दिल्ली जाते हैं BI से, जैसे कॉर्नरिंग करने का यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है।
Ducati 959 Panigale Corse. It is an Italian bike. It is having a 955cc engine. It's a V-twin with 176 kilo of dry weight and 107 Newton meters of torque with 157 horsepower.
जैसे कि हम लोग स्कूल में पढ़ते थे तो एक चीज़ याद होती थी, आई थिंक वैसी भी अब बड़ी बाइक रख के हमको याद रखना पड़ता है कि क्या क्या इसमें है। डोंट यू थिंक लाइक कि हमें एक चैप्टर याद करना पड़ता है एक सुपर बाइक रखने के बाद?
रखना पड़ता है। Sometimes people ask you about the specifications of bikes. Also, there are some riders which are interested in your bike and they are interested to buy your bike. So you need to know the specifications.
Get updates on WhatsApp, subscribe on YouTube, and press the bell icon. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, etc. Tag with #AbuTimes. Download the Abu Times app now. Available on Play Store. Will be soon releasing on App Store. Stay connected with Mount Abu with Abu Times app.